The Broker with the Heart coming to you live. You might not recognize this place, but up yonder, past those trees, about a block up, 1 block down, and about 5 blocks into that, you'll find 466 North Haven, which is the property I just sold, listed, and closed, all within 28 days. But I'm not there right now. I'm here, and I thought I'd share that with you because I do sell houses, and those up there are going for $1.2 million to about $1.7 million, depending on the condition. And like I said, the one we sold at North Haven up there went for close to one of the numbers that I just cited. So if you're interested in selling, buying, or investing in California gold, look me up. The Broker with the Heart. MaxMyHouse.com, 650-746-4607. And let me get back to the action here, because the Reds are close to scoring. Yes, get it, shoot it, yeah!